This is a pork loin sandwich on a toasted ciabatta bun. This is terrific. We've got some Munster cheese, we've got coleslaw on here. Again, that pork loin with some barbecue sauce, and we finish it out with some pickles and some pickled jalapenos or cowboy candy. Watch just how we did it. Hey, it's Jeff with BBQ Plus. Today we're going to make some pork loin sandwiches. I did a video here a while back. Well, a while back to you. To me, it was just a day ago. And I did a pork loin, and we had some leftover pork loin here. So I sliced it up really thin and decided that we're going to do some great sandwiches. Great way to be able to take advantage of your leftovers. So this has been heated up, and we're just going to assemble a great sandwich and put it together with you right here. So the ingredients in this are ciabatta bread, which I toasted. And I've got some Munster cheese. This is a good tasting cheese to go along with pork. I've got some pickles because we need to have pickles on there for sure. And then I've got some coleslaw. And what I'm going to do is we're going to amp up that coleslaw a little bit with some cowboy candy. So this is pickled jalapenos. A lot of sugar in here. Took some of the seeds out of there so it's not going to be quite as spicy. I've got a video on it. We'll post it up there and also at the end and in the comments. So you can take a look at that video. So I've got a little bit of barbecue sauce also because we are a barbecue channel. So first step is going to be to slice up a little bit of these pickles. And I just want these to be nice and thin. We're going to lay them right on to that sandwich. These pickles are some of my favorite. I pick them up at Costco, and I think they're a company, I want to say out of Boston or somewhere out of the Northeast. Gregorio's, or I'm not sure. Sounds Italian, I think. These things are just really, really good. They've got a nice crunch to them. They're nice and thick. I really enjoy them, so we're going to use those. You see that I'm cutting them up the long way. Hey, if you want to use just the round pickles, go ahead. Sweet pickles, dill pickles, I don't care. Whatever suits your taste. So we've got those ready. I'm going to set those aside. And now we're going to dice up some of these. So these are those pickled jalapenos. And we're just going to give a good chop on those because I don't want to really have big chunks of jalapenos. I'd like to just kind of kick up the flavor of this store-bought coleslaw. There we go. Those are all ready to go. All right, so here we go. Let's assemble some of these sandwiches. I think what I'm going to start out with first is on the bottom. I'm just going to lay down some pickle. Generous amounts. We're doing 2 of these, so let's make them both at the same time. This is going to give a nice little crunch also. And that dill pickle taste is going to come through. I think that's going to be wonderful. So next step is to take some of this heated up pork tenderloin that I sliced, paint that up with our favorite barbecue sauce. And we want to have a bunch of it on there, so let's go for 1, 2, let's go for 3 layers on there. Now we're going to add in our cheese. I'm going to put a couple of slices of Munster cheese on there. And now we're going to finish it off with some coleslaw. Nice big dollop of that on each one of those sandwiches. That's going to give a little bit of crunch also. Give us our veggies. And we're going to add in what's going to give us that heat. Now you could mix this right into the coleslaw if you want, but since I'm not using all the coleslaw here, I'll just leave it in the fridge and maybe use it again for something else. But we're going to put some of those cowboy candy pickled jalapenos in there. Enough to wake us up, that's for sure. So there you go, 2 beautiful sandwiches. We've got leftover pork loin in there, we've got some pickles, we've got Munster cheese, and a little bit of barbecue sauce on that pork loin. Finished off with some cowboy candy or pickled jalapenos sitting on top of some coleslaw. Toasted ciabatta bun, you can use whatever kind of bread that you want. These are looking absolutely fantastic. I cannot wait to dig in. Now that's a good looking sandwich. There's only one thing left to do. Give them a try. That is really good. I'm liking the flavor combinations. I think that's terrific. The only thing I would probably do is I'm going to go heavier on the amount of pork loin that's in here. This feels a little shy. I should have been a little bit more aggressive with that. The other thing too, this ciabatta bread, picked it up yesterday, used it today. Not the freshest, pretty crunchy. I'd probably like a big old soft hamburger bun, like extra huge size, and then toast that a little bit. I think that would be really wonderful. There are just layers in this of goodness. That crunch and kind of that tanginess of the dill pickle is one that hits me first. Then I pick up kind of the jalapeno cowboy candy. I think that kind of hits me the next. And then I get past that kind of crunch and that kind of savory, mayonnaise-y coleslaw is great. And then it finishes up with that barbecue sauce on the pork loin and the Munster cheese on there. Just really melds in really well. So overall, this is a winner. Softer bread and more meat. If you're inspired and you like what we're doing here, share this with a friend. Hit me with a comment, I'll reply. And hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn the notifications on also. And I've got a ton of different videos, all the way from how to fix up your grill, how to clean it, how to paint it, whatever maintenance you might need on a pellet grill, really any other kind of grill. I clean up some gas grills also in different videos. Make sure you don't burn your house down this summer. Time for that spring cleaning. But whatever it is, I think you'll find some inspiration in some of my other videos too. And the main thing to do is to figure out what you're going to cook in your backyard this weekend. And from BBQ Plus, thanks for watching.